Imagine, it's evening, storm outside, power goes out completely. Your heating boiler stops, internet dies, fridge starts warming up, and your smart home turns into a dark, cold box. In that moment, a generator is no longer just a gadget, it becomes essential equipment. But when you go to the store or scroll online, marketing hits you hard. One brand shows a huge, loud monster that drinks fuel like a truck. Another pushes cheap, no-name units that die after the first serious load. Hey, this is DryTech Bites, quick and honest tech advice, no fluff. Today we're doing a full practical guide on how to choose the right generator in 2026 so you don't overpay and don't get disappointed when you need it the most. Let's start with the most important thing, power. Never trust the box. The biggest mistake buyers make is believing the big 5000W or 7000W number on the package. In most cases, this is peak or maximum power that the generator can deliver for only 10 to 20 minutes before overheating or shutting down. You need rated or continuous power. This is what the generator can safely produce for hours. Real-life example of a typical home backup kit. LED lighting throughout the house, 80 to 120 watts. Refrigerator, compressor running, 150 to 300 watts. Gas boiler with circulation pump, 150 to 250 watts. Wi-Fi router and laptop, 100 to 150 watts. TV or monitor, 80 to 120 watts. Phone chargers and small devices, 50 watts. Total running load, around 900 to 1200 watts. But here's the catch, startup surges. A refrigerator can spike to 800 to 1200 watts for a few seconds. A well pump or old air conditioner can demand 3 to 5 times more power at startup. Correct calculation formula? Sum of all running watts plus highest startup surge plus 20 to 30% reserve. This reserve is critical. Running a generator constantly at 90 to 100% load will kill it much faster. The sweet spot for longevity is 60 to 80% load. Fuel types, which one to choose? Gasoline generators are the most popular for home backup. They're affordable, lightweight, easy to start even in cold weather. Perfect if blackouts are rare, few times per year. Downside, gasoline goes bad after 6 to 9 months. Use fuel stabilizer if you store it long term. Diesel generators are built for heavy long-term work. Better fuel economy, significantly longer engine life, but they're heavier, louder, more expensive, and very hard to start in freezing temperatures without preheaters. Best choice only if you need 8 to 10 kilowatts and plan to run it for many hours regularly. Propane or natural gas? Currently one of the best options for many homeowners. You can connect it to regular propane tanks or home gas line. Fuel is cheaper, stores for many years without degrading, burns much cleaner. Highly recommended if you want to run the generator often or for long periods. Inverter versus conventional. Inverter generators produce much cleaner electricity, stable sine wave, safe for sensitive electronics, laptops, boilers, and modern TVs. They're also quieter. The downside is higher price. For most people in 2026, an inverter is the smarter long-term investment. What to look for inside? Copper windings in the alternator. This is very important. Copper handles heat and overload much better than aluminum. Many cheap generators use aluminum and fail faster. Good AVR or built-in inverter technology for stable voltage. Quality build. Look at the weight and thickness of materials. A suspiciously light generator is usually a bad sign. Practical tips most people miss. For regular houses, buy single-phase generator. 3-phase only makes sense if you have 3-phase equipment, powerful motors, welders, etc. Electric start plus automatic transfer switch is worth the extra money if you want automatic backup. Maintenance is critical. Change oil after the first 5 to 8 hours break-in period, then every 50 to 100 hours. Always keep spare oil, spark plugs, and air filter. Safety rules you must follow. Carbon monoxide kills silently. Never run a generator inside a house, garage, or even under a canopy without proper exhaust direction. Keep it at least 6 to 7 meters away from windows and doors. Never use a suicide cord, a male-to-male plug. It's extremely dangerous and can kill linemen or destroy your equipment. My recommendation for 2026? For the majority of homeowners, the best balance is a 3 to 3.5 kilowatt inverter gasoline generator with copper windings, electric start, and pure sine wave. It will comfortably cover all essential loads and last many years if maintained properly. If you want maximum economy and long runtime, look at propane inverter models. Now you know exactly what to look for and what questions to ask the seller. Drop a comment below. Do you already have a generator? What brand and power? Or are you planning to buy one? Like if this video was useful, and subscribe to DryTech Bites for more honest, practical, and no-fluff guides. See you in the next one.